Hey, so we have this problem. It wants us to find the solutions to these equations. So we have cosine of 2x equals 5 sine of x minus 2. All right. So this cosine of 2x should be raising some little red flags in my head because of this 2x right here. So I'm going to want to use my double angle formulas, which I have right here. All right. Alrighty. So I have cosine of 2x and I have a sine right here. So I kind of want to I want to get rid of the cosine term. I want it to just be sine. So that tells me I'm going to use this one right here because I want only sines. So that's going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared of x equals 5 sine of x minus 2. All right. Now that I've got this, I'm going to move everything to the right-hand side. So I'm going to have 0 is equal to 2 sine squared x minus 1 plus 5 sine of x minus 2, which is 2 sine squared of x plus 5 sine of x minus 3. All righty. Now I'm going to try and factor this kind of like a quadratic. And to kind of help me see more that it's a quadratic, I'm going to let beta be equal to sine of x. So then I'm going to get 0 is equal to 2 beta squared plus 5 beta minus 3. Ready? I'm going to try and factor this. So I'm going to do 2 beta, beta. Let's do plus 3 minus 1. Does that work? I can FOIL this out to check. So that's 2 beta squared plus 6 beta minus beta minus 3. So yes, this works. Alrighty, then I'm going to replace back my beta equals sine of x, and I'm going to get 0 is equal to 2 sine of x minus 1 times sine of x plus 3. Alrighty. So now I'm going to set each one of these equal to 0. Sine of x, or 2 sine of x minus 1 equals to 0, or sine x plus 3 equals 0. Ready? So looking at this first one, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So I get 2 sine of x equals 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2. I get sine of x equals 1/2. And if I look at the unit circle and the coordinates that they give me are cosine theta, sine theta, and I look for where my sine theta is equal to 1/2, I'm going to see that the theta that it corresponds to is it's going to be pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Yeah. So these are my two thetas for this one. Now this one, sine of x plus 3 equals 0. That's sine of x. I'm going to subtract 3 equals -3. Here, I kind of have a problem because sine of x, its range goes from -1 to 1. It doesn't go to -3. So this kind of is like not a case. So we only have this. This would be my answer. Theta equals pi over 6 and theta equals 5 pi over 6.